Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to set a due date for a Trello card. So once you're inside Trello, guys, you want to go ahead and you can find that specific card. So let me take this first one here at Trello. And in order to set a due date for this specific card, you want to click on dates on the right hand side. And here you can set the due date. So if I want to change this to, I don't know, whenever I want to basically set it, you can easily go ahead and change the date. So let me go ahead and enable it. So you have the due date and you can basically, change this to, let's say I want this to be the 21st of the month. You can basically do that. You can type it in, or you can use the calendar at the top here, so that you can choose the 22nd, the 21st, or you can even move it to a month down, and you can just select whatever you want, right? So I can set it, for example, on the 31st of May, right? And I can just basically play around with the days, and you can play around with the time as well. So the time is also something you can change. So let's say I want this to be, I don't know, at 2 p.m. So I can basically change this to 2 p.m. 00, and you can choose if you want to have a reminder set. So you can set, okay, it should be reminder the day before, so you can have it the day before, and you can just basically click and save, and that's it. That's how you go ahead and set a due date. And if you look at the top, you can see here that it adds the due date to it, and that's it. So that's how you go ahead, you guys, and add a due date. Now if you look at the card from the outside from the board, you can also see that it shows the due date as well, and that's how you go ahead and set a due date for your cards in Trello.